Alright, so you wanted to know how power was getting run from the ring cap terminals. Well, you run one end of your SIE cord to the negative. You run the other end through the positive. I ran it up through the boot, so both can be under there, and then you can take the protective boot and you can drop that in. I had to split those just a little bit because it's normally a little bit closer together. Ran that right under the frame, zip tied to the frame. It ends in your regular SIE fitting. That SIE fitting follows right down to the frame, loosely zip tied here, and this end, after being loosely zip tied here, normally we're running a bag. There is an advantage to our bags not being completely closed. You know, it does overlap so it doesn't rain in them and such, but you got a little wiggle, and that wiggle allows you to put this cord in. That cord there runs right up to a 12-volt outlet. Now, in the 12-volt outlet is something I picked up at Harley Davidson. And that little guy runs down to this. Now, you could do it simpler. They have the 12-volt part here that has two USB plugs in it, but this happens to be what I bought, and it works, so I keep using it. I have a nice cord here that will run roughly just like that. Then this gets tucked in under the frame like that, under the nose of the seat, and then once it's tucked under the nose of the seat, it will come right up here and plug right in, and it will power my cell phone that way. So far that's worked pretty good. It's modular, so if any one component fails, you don't have to worry about it. You can simply replace the component. And you know, there's lots of places you can go. You can stop at a gas station and you can find the 12-volt part there. So this part here is easy to replace, and that makes life simple. But that is how I provide power on a V-Star 1300 tour model.